Welcome to this troubleshooting tutorial. Today, we will walk you through specific troubleshooting steps and solutions for several common issues you may encounter during daily operation. If you notice a significant decrease in your charging speed, first verify whether your charger and charging cable are official, original accessories. Third-party or non-original accessories frequently suffer from power mismatch issues. We strongly recommend prioritizing the use of official factory accessories. Battery hot swapping operation. To test or perform a battery hot swap, check the current remaining battery level on the remote controller. Flip the remote controller over, open the battery compartment cover, and you can directly execute the battery hot swapping operation without powering down. Binding indicator fails to turn green. If the indicator fails to illuminate solid green during the binding process, you should first check whether the firmware versions on both the air unit and the remote controller are up to date. If the versions are mismatched, proceed directly to the official website, download the latest firmware for your specific models, and follow the prompt instructions to upgrade. This will typically resolve the issue. Suboptimal communication range. If you experience an insufficient communication range or an unstable signal from the remote controller, you can troubleshoot from two directions. First, verify the antenna orientation and ensure that the antennas are not installed on the incorrect frequency band ports. Second, try switching and adjusting the operating frequency band on your remote controller. Generally, communication quality will improve significantly after making this adjustment. Telemetry UDP connection to GCS is occupied. If the system prompts that the telemetry data link via UDP connection to the ground control station, GCS, is occupied, open the system settings on the remote controller. If the remote controller SDK connection method is currently set to UDP, toggle it to off. Once disabled, the telemetry system will be freed up to successfully use the UDP connection to the GCS. UniRC 10 Pro. That concludes this episode on common troubleshooting for the UniRC 10 Pro. If you have any further questions, please feel free to leave a message in the comments section below.